I'd like to use this simple sprinkler system to illustrate the 10 steps that we go through to lay out and modify sprinkler systems. These steps are outlined on in your help, and they're also in your quick start guide. Now, step number 1 is to select a node. You merely point to the node and left click, or to select a pipe. You point to the pipe and you left click. Step number 2 is to add a new pipe segment and node. To do that, you start at an existing node, select the existing node by left clicking, move your mouse to the location of the second node, and you right click. And now you've added this new pipe segment and this new node. If you just want to add a pipe segment between two existing nodes, you basically select the first node by left clicking. This is step 3. And you move your mouse to the second node and you right click. And now you add a new pipe segment. Now, if you want to move a node, you merely point to the node, hold down your left mouse button, and drag it to the new location. That's step number 4. If you want to add an internal node, so you can add a pump or another element, you just, for example, if I wanted to add a pump here, I would just select this pipe pointing to the location that I want the new node, and then I would do an insert, and you'll see that now we get an intermediate node at this point. Now, to change the node type, you just select the node. For example, if I wanted to change this to a pump, I would select the node and look at the drop-down list and select the element that I want from the drop-down list. So now I can add a pump to this point, and that's how I would change the node type. For example, if I wanted this to be a sprinkler, the same thing. I would select the node, use the drop-down list to change this to a sprinkler. That's item number 6. Item number 7 is to delete an internal node. To delete an internal node, you just select the node and click on delete. In this case, we don't have any internal nodes. Let me add an internal node at this point by inserting it, and if I want to delete it, I just select it and do a delete. If I want to delete an end node, which is this type of node, I select the node and I do delete. But now in this case, if you have an end node, all the connecting pipes will be deleted. So I click on delete and I delete the node and the connecting pipes. That's item number 8. If I want to delete a pipe link, I just merely select the pipe link and go on to the delete key, and this will delete the pipe link. That's item number 9. Now, if I want to change the direction of a node, and these are only apply to pumps, I would select the pump, and there's an arrow down to the bottom of the node information box, and if I click on that, I will change the direction that the pump is pumping. Now, these 10 items or these 10 operations will allow you to completely develop sprinkler systems and modify the sprinkler systems.